up, YouTube? Welcome to the Coyote Car Channel.
Welcome to the Coyote Car Channel. I'm Derek, and the littlest one in my intro is my youngest son, Mason. Mason and my oldest son, Jackson, are my assistants when it comes to automotive repair. I'm home all day, so in my free time, I rebuild engines and do some mechanical work to keep myself busy. I decided to create this channel to help educate and give people helpful resources when it comes to working on or with cars. That includes everything from what to do if your car gets a flat on the side of the road to how to completely rebuild an engine or transmission. The goal for this channel is to create an easy reference to navigate for my subscribers, in case they are in a difficult spot and need some automotive help through a tutorial or just want to learn something new. I am not a certified mechanic, as stated in the disclaimer. I am self-taught in all areas which I will be covering. I'm open to opinions and video requests, and I will do my best to get your viewer requests out as soon as I can. Also, I will try to respond to as many comments as I can. To help support this channel and keep the dream alive, please like and subscribe. Remember to tap that bell icon to stay up to date with all of my upcoming content. I will be uploading a video every Friday. You can follow me on Instagram to stay up to date with the latest photography on this channel. Thanks, and God bless.